Number one, a ramp supposed to be in front of the building. Drivers come at 441 Brooklyn Avenue for the tenants. And people like myself, my drivers come in front of the building, 441 Brooklyn Avenue. The ramp is not safe. This part right here, you see, all of this, you cut your hand off. And it shakes it's not safe when you're going down. Even when you have people in the wheelchair with the walkers in this building, they all leave out through the front. Now look what I have to do. See how my hand is going? My hand got to hit this all the time. From here, I got to go over because it'll cut my hand. Same thing on this side.
And as far as the ramp goes, I am not pleased. There's no accessibility to get in and out, even if the ramp is there. We need a buzzer.
You can't buzz nobody. How you gonna get into the building?
I think I've used it maybe a half a dozen times, only because there was a need to use it, but with fear. I wish they would replace it for something a little bit more sturdy. I would love to have my family members who are in wheelchairs to come over. I still can't. We've had it, what, a year already?
I can't bring a wheelchair because you can't turn it, depending on the width and the person's size. You can't turn it. Go up, go up. No. You guys, now you hear the noise. I'm small. If somebody heavy, you can hear that going on. And I'm walking with my cane. I understand that they fixed the elevator, but it's not really fixed at this present time because it's still making some really disturbing noise where a lot of tenants are afraid to take the elevator. A lot of them walk up the stairs. Majority of the time, I like to take the elevator with someone because I don't want to get stuck. The alarm system is not working. We do not have a card in the elevator stating that the elevator is safe to ride or it has been fixed. The roof doors are always open, okay? And I did report it to the owner as well as the manager of the building, and it seems to me nothing has been done. People are always on the roof every single day, especially during nighttime after 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. You'll find people on the roof from 8 o'clock on, sometime until 3 o'clock in the morning, constantly.